Starting a pet sitting business in the USA. A complete guide. Understanding the pet sitting industry. Overview. The pet sitting industry is growing as more pet owners seek reliable caregivers for their pets while they travel or work. Demand. Services can include daily visits, dog walking, overnight care, and even grooming or training add-ons. Target audience. Pet owners, particularly professionals, frequent travelers, and elderly individuals who may need help managing pet care. Planning your business. Define your services, core services. Dog walking, cat, sitting, feeding, and administering medication, overnight stays or house sitting, add-ons, pet grooming, pet taxi service, vet or grooming appointments, extended playtime, plant care, or home security checks. B. Identify your niche. Specialize in exotic pets, large breeds, or high-energy dogs. Offer premium services such as live updates, GPS tracking, or pet behavior consultations. Create a business plan. Key sections. Executive summary. Market analysis. Services. Offered pricing. Strategy. Marketing. Plan financial projections. 3. Legal and administrative setup. Register your business. Choose a business name and check availability. Register your business as an LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation. Obtain a federal EIN, employer identification number, for tax purposes. Obtain licenses and permits. Check local and state requirements for business licenses. Research specific certifications for pet care, optional but adds credibility. C. Get insurance. Obtain general liability insurance and pet sitting specific insurance. Consider bonding to build client trust. Draft service agreements. Include terms for cancellations, liability waivers, emergency protocols, and payment policies. Set up record-keeping. Use software like QuickBooks or Wave to track finances. Maintain client records, vaccination histories, and visit schedules for building skills and credibility. Certifications. Get certified through organizations like Pet Sitters International, PSI, or the National Association of Professional Pet Sitters, NAPPS. First aid. Learn pet first aid and CPR through courses by the Red Cross. Experience. Gain experience through volunteering at shelters or working as an assistant pet sitter. Setting your prices. Research local rates. Look at competitors to set competitive rates. Pricing models. Hourly rates, e.g., $20, $30 per visit. Package deals for multiple visits or long-term care. Premium rates for holidays or last-minute bookings. Marketing your business. Build a brand. Design a professional logo and website. Choose a memorable business name, e.g., Happy Paws Pet Sitting. B. Online presence. Create profiles on pet care platforms like Rover or Wag. Use social media to share tips, photos, and updates. Optimize your website with SEO for local searches, e.g., pet sitting near me. C. Offline marketing. Distribute flyers in pet-friendly locations, e.g., vet clinics, pet stores. Attend community events and network with pet professionals. D. Word of mouth. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on platforms like Yelp or Google. Offer referral discounts for loyal clients. 7. Operating and growing your business. Organize scheduling. Use apps like Time to Pet or Pocket Suite to manage bookings and client communications. B. Deliver exceptional service. Provide timely updates, photos, videos, or messages to reassure pet owners. Ensure pets are safe, healthy, and happy during your care. Expand services. Hire additional sitters as demand grows. Introduce training, boarding, or doggy daycare services. Evaluate and improve. Collect feedback from clients regularly. Stay updated on industry trends and adjust services accordingly. Legal and tax compliance. Keep accurate records of income and expenses for tax filing. Understand and comply with local regulations, including business taxes. Consult an accountant to maximize tax deductions, e.g., mileage, supplies, insurance. Financial planning. Startup costs include insurance, licensing, website setup, and marketing materials. Estimate $1,000, $3,000. Profit potential. On average, pet sitters can earn $15, $30 per hour or $40, $80 per overnight. Stay 10 challenges to expect. Building trust with new clients, handling difficult or aggressive pets, managing last-minute cancellations or emergencies. With thorough planning, dedication, and a genuine love for animals, you can establish a thriving pet sitting business in the USA. Would you like help with a specific section, like marketing strategies or drafting contracts?